Hey everyone. Okay, so I haven't painted in about a week, so I'm due. I did have some paintings that cracked while they were drying because they were out here in the cold garage and I had used white house paint. So the paint is chipping right off, and I did show those on some of my other videos. So I want to try to redo um, the purple and lime green and blue flip and drag because I really liked that painting and I'm going to give it another shot. Um, my husband insulated these walls around my pouring area. We're in the process of insulating the garage, and um, it's weird I don't have an echo now, so I don't know how well you'll be hearing me now, but we'll find out. Okay, so, ooh, I do have some things rearranged too, so this is going to be weird. I'm going to go ahead and spritz my cup with the WD-40 silicone spray. I don't use it to create cells. I just use it to release the paint from the cup. But you can use it to create cells. They'll just be smaller cells. It's kind of like the people that use Blaster. And it does have a funky odor to it. And that's why I don't stand over my paintings when I torch them. I hooked up a monitor to my iPad. It's a very expensive little adapter that I had to buy. But I can see over here, I have my monitor, so I can see what I'm doing. And that way I don't have to keep looking up into the iPad and squinting. But I had a hard time getting it the right way because it put weight on the iPad, so I had to kind of tie it. But that was weird. So I'll start with the lime green. This one's a little darker than the last one I used because I don't think I have any of those left. My hubby had to work today because he was off for 2 days because of the snow. Yeah, we had almost 8 inches of snow here on Wednesday. Today's Saturday, so they had to work. They have to work today and tomorrow. Okay. And this is a manganese blue hue. Manganese. I got some new Soho colors from Jerry's Artorama. Check that out online, by the way, Jerry's Artorama. They run some great sales on the Soho paints and Grumbacher. And actually they're both on sale right now. I did order a bunch more after I seen how these mixed up, so. Alright, get those out of the way. So I'm just going to place this one in the middle. The other one I started up here and got stuck with that pile of paint, so this one's going to go in the middle. See if I can get you so you're straight. It's going to be crooked to me, but it's straight for you. I have a bunch of white mixed up too. I have a lot of videos to shoot today, so. I watched Carl Mazer, I believe his last name is. He did a painting of an abstract horse, and that painting is absolutely beautiful. I want to try one with a flip cup to kind of shape it into a horse and then blow out the mane with the airbrush, but I've got to figure out how to do it before I attempt something like that. So I'm just moving my white around now. I still have not found my little 5-ounce cups. Hubby and I are still looking. So I'm still using these 7-ouncers. Okay. It's weird when I turn this at an angle so that you guys can see it. I don't think it really matters, does it? Okay. I even have carpet under my feet now. It's going to be really warm out here. And then you know what's going to happen? Then summer's going to come. And I have to figure out where I'm going to be pouring in the summer because my air conditioner goes out this window right here, the vent. So, oh, and it's going to be so noisy. I may have to shut off while I video. Okay. So I'm just going to pop a hole. And we're going to drag. Ooh, almost lost it all. That metallic that I used in this one was tanzanite. The one that I did in the other one was amethyst. There's one spot here. It's dripping from my cup, isn't it? There. That fixed it. Got a lot of blue here and a lot of purple here. That purple's going to sink. It's a metallic, so. I'm just going to move it just this way a little bit. Okay. I think I can work with that. That is really pretty right there. Let me show you. Isn't it pretty? Okay. Let me wipe my hands again. And let's airdress, or yeah, airdress, that's a good word. Let's airbrush. This is a master airbrush that I purchased on Amazon. All you have to do in the Amazon search bar is type in master airbrush and the link should come up. It's $49.96. I get asked all the time. I even have the link on my Facebook page that'll take you directly to that item. Kind of looks like an island. I've got to push some of this purple up. Okay, let me turn it around. one definitely has a lot more purple in it, which is fine. I think when it sinks, you'll see more of the manganese blue and the lime green. I just have to be careful here because the purple and the lime green will give me mud. Gosh, that's pretty. Those little cells are pretty. And I did not torch this, did I? I haven't painted in a while. And it's like riding a bike. You don't forget how to do it. It's just the first one's kind of like when you make pancakes. You may throw the first one away. Or is that crepes? I haven't made crepes in a long time, so. Gosh, now I'm hungry for crepes. So I really don't have anything here I can blow out, so I'm going to have to come in here and push that paint over. I'm pushing it out right now, and then I'll feather it out. And I always say in my videos, you don't have to have an airbrush to do this. You can do it with a straw. You just have to be patient and move slow because you don't have control of the amount of air like you do with the airbrush. I'm going to work on this right here coming towards me. It'd be easier for me to control those edges. But I'm happy with this side. It's just pretty, the colors together. Got one that come over the edge. So there. Let me torch it and see what happens. I gave myself a hook here from my airbrush, but I don't remember how I put it on there, so it's gonna fall. And these paintings will be going in the house today to dry, because I don't want to run the risk of having them crack again. I'm not sure which white this was, if it was house paint or craft paint, so I'm not taking any chances. But I know my next bin of white paint is Artist Loft Acrylic Flow mixed with a white acrylic paint. And I do not stand over my paintings when I torch, because the silicone, that WD silicone, has chemicals in it, and I do not want to inhale those fumes. So, let me give you a close-up. This is pretty cool right here in the middle. Light's right on it, isn't it? I need to adjust those lights again. That's what happens when you move everything and then you put it back. It's never the way it was. So Well, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. And if you click on the bell, you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Give it a like and share it with your friends. And leave a comment if you want to let me know if you liked it or if you have any questions. I do answer all comments, even if it's just a thank you. And you can join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And I also have gotten all my jewelry and beads listed in my Etsy store, and my Etsy store's name is Christina Welch Art. So if you want to go ahead and give that a search out, you can find that too. As soon as I get some paintings in there, though, I'll be adding the link directly into my videos, but I just haven't done that yet. So I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.